Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. The Wizarding Trunk and the Potter Collector recently joined forces and brought us a magical Christmas themed box. I designed quite a few things for them in there, and one of the things is a DIY Magical Sweets box. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put this together. So here it is. As you can see, it's nice and foiled and reflective, but we're going to flip it over and look at the other side. This is called scoring, and it not only shows you where to fold, but it makes it a lot easier. So all you need to do first is flip it over so you're looking at it like this, and fold everywhere you see one of those score lines. Just fold it in and fold it back out like this. Keep going until you've done the entire thing. Now, when all the folds are nice and folded like this, flip it over, and now we have these little triangular tabs you can see here. And if you fold those in like this and like that, you can see it matches up right there. And if you keep doing that all the way around, it will become the shape of a box. So we just need to attach those in some way. I'm going to be using one of my favorite things, score tape. You could also use a little bit of glue or something, just anything to attach it. I do recommend score tape, however, because it's just really easy to work with, and unlike glue, you don't have to wait for it to dry. So we'll just start with this tab right here. I'm just going to take my score tape, stick it down right there. It doesn't matter if it overlaps a little bit like this because it's easy to fix with double-sided tape. And then with the score tape, you can actually peel off the white back, and the double-sided tape is now stuck there. If it does overlap, just fold it in on itself like that, and then you can use it to stick the box together, just like that pretty much. So we're going to keep doing that on every one of these little tabs. So that one's going to go in, that one's going to go in, and just keep working your way around until every one of these little blue tabs are tucked underneath and taped or glued into the box like this, and then the very last one will be here. To save time, I've gone ahead and added the score tape to each one of these, and now I'm going to go through and peel the backs off of each one, and then go ahead and stick them each down all in a row. And your box is pretty much finished here. All that needs to happen is this little tab with a silver frog on it tucks right into this little kind of slit right here. And there we go. That is the Magical Sweets box from the Wizarding Trunk and the Potter Collector, designed by Wizardry Workshop. Another thing included with this is a Merlin Magical Wizard card, and this just fits right inside the box like that, and we close it up, and there you go. If you wanted to give this away as a gift, you could put some chocolate in there for someone and give it away for Christmas, or you could just keep it for yourself, which is probably what I'm gonna do. And that's it, guys. A very simple project. I tried to make it as easy as possible, but also something that would look pretty cool and displayable. I hope you guys liked it. I hope this video helps you if you got the box. I'm sure that the Wizarding Trunk has some extras that they're selling on their website for this DIY box. That's going to be the only way you get this. So once they run out, they're gone. I would go and check those out like right away if you want one. Anyways, I hope you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.